Hello everyone, and welcome back to Glimpse of Tech. I'm Eugene, and today I'm sharing why I chose this Pixel 9a over the new Pixel 10. If you're a Pixel fan, or just looking for a great phone without spending a fortune, I think this video is for you. I've been using Pixel phones for a few years, and after a lot of thought, I went with the Pixel 9a. Plus, I just got it, so we have a chance to unbox it in this video, and also I'll share why I made this decision, like the key reasons why I went with this mid-range phone instead of a top-tier Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the moment to unbox this phone. As you can see, the box is, the paper is a bit off. Okay, let's check another one. Here we go. By the way, the box is pretty simple, but that's not what we're interested in. What I'm interested is this guy. So yeah, the package is pretty good. Okay, let's see what else is there. Okay, I'm getting another one Type-C cable, not a braided one, but smells like plastic, but yeah, it's a really good one. And a SIM tool, of course, because I need it from time to time. And some documents, some paperwork, but nobody reads that anyways. So this is the actual phone. I must say it feels pretty heavy, especially in comparison to my current Pixel 6a, which I've been using since the moment my Pixel 8 died. So let's see. It's not the Apple iPhone moment because this is a paper that is wrapping up the phone. But yeah. Okay, so what do we have here? Plastic back. I'm fine with that because I've been using Pixel 6a with a plastic back as well, and basically it's even better for me because it's less slippery than the glass back of some phones. And also I can feel that it doesn't add a weight to it, so I guess the most of the weight is the battery and the internals. And yeah, it's pretty big in comparison to this guy. It's a bit taller, same width, but yeah, I think I like the size. I think it's somewhere in between the Pixel 8 and Pixel 9 Pro XL, which my wife is using. But yeah, looks pretty good. I like the design of the camera. So yeah, as I said, I've been a Pixel owner since 2022. I got that Pixel 6a for work and eventually switched to that phone from my iPhone 12 mini. And I loved it. I love the Pixels for good design, for very good camera quality, for the Android operating system and all of its features. And basically I switched to Pixel as my primary phone. Then in 2024, I got Pixel 8, and it was a great phone until its screen went just crazy. I mean, it was just a sudden green screen, and it took a few reboots to get it back to normal. But then I realized that this problem will last. I got it returned to Amazon, and they gave me a full refund, which thanks to them for that. And I was planning to use that money to get a Pixel 10, but yeah, as you can see, things went sideways. So why I chose this phone over Pixel 10? I'll tell you. First, of course, the price. I mean, this is not the main point, but still, look, this phone I got on Amazon for 426 euro. This is incredible deal. And in comparison to Pixel 10, currently it's like over 1,000 euro for 128 gigs model, and it's not even rocking the latest and fastest UFS 4.0 memory type. Like that one is available for models starting to 256 gigabytes. And if you want that version, you're looking at a price tag over 1,200 euros. And it was for me just too hard to justify that price having this phone. So I also considered Pixel 9, but Pixel 9 is currently around 700 euros, and it's a last year model, and like there are differences between this phone and Pixel 9, but not that dramatic ones. Also, the other part which got me lured into Pixel 9a is the battery size. So this one is 5100 mAh battery, and Pixel 10 has a smaller battery. By the way, this one is not turning on for some reason. Probably it needs a charge. So let's use the cable right away to charge it a bit. And yeah, of course, oh no, it's turning on. In Pixel 9, you get a better hardware, but you're getting the same Tensor chip. You're getting pretty much the same components. We'll talk about this a bit later. So yeah, this sounded like a reasonable model for me. And also the design. I love the design of this Pixel because, I didn't get to get a Pixel 10 because initially I thought that it would be like something very special and maybe different in comparison to Pixel 9, but it turned out that it's basically the same design and not as much of improvements, especially in terms of hardware. Like you have some stuff going on the AI side for the Pixel 10, and yeah, you have some improvements here and there, but the camera's hardware is worse, and the rest is on par with the Pixel 9. So yeah, so this one looked more interesting to me. At least until they release the Pixel 10a, and the design might be repeating this one. So for now, this one is unique. I like that as well. And yeah, of course, it has all the features I need. So the display is 120 Hertz. This is fine for me, the same as I had on my Pixel 8. Then I have great cameras over here, and it has all the Gemini AI features available over here, maybe besides some of the latest ones. And just a great phone for a great affordable price. It also has wireless charging, but it's not as fast and as in the latest Pixel phones. Currently, Pixel 10 support 15 watts wireless charging, and Pixel 10 Pro XL supports 25 watts. So I decided not to be obsessed with the wireless charging and just get a case for this phone that supports wireless charging. It has magnets inside. It's a Spigen case. I've had one before for my previous Pixel 6a. Like, this is a good case. It's been rocking for 3 years now, and it's doing pretty good. No damage, not anything. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a good combo for me. So as you can see, my Pixel 9a is syncing with the Pixel 6a and getting all the necessary data from it. So it should be an exact copy of my current phone. So the copying process is now completed, and my new Pixel 9a is almost ready for work. And basically moved my Google accounts over here. Yeah, I'll go with the swipe gesture navigation. And of course, I'll use circles to search. This is one of the reasons I kept Google phones. What do I do now? Swipe up to go home. Yeah, okay. And this is exactly the same home screen as I had on my Pixel 6a. I also got a Spigen case this time for this phone because I liked how it survived on my Pixel 6a. This time it's a bit different model of a case because this one was called Nano Pop, and this one actually has magnets, so it kind of supports magnetic wireless charging, what Pixel 10 was supposed to do for me. And yeah, it's a very nice case. Fits very well, protects the camera bump, which is not actually a bump, it's almost flat, but covers everything besides from the camera, which you can also protect with the glass. For the screen protector, I'm always getting this kind of screen protector from Spigen. It's very high quality. I mean, the one on my Pixel 6a, it doesn't look very good now because I've been using it for like a couple of years, but I guess it saved my screen a few times. So regarding this Pixel, it feels different. So first of all, it has the face unlock, which I already activated, and it has a faster fingerprint reader, in my opinion. Okay, let me try this without. Yeah, so it works like way better. Maybe that's just because I added my finger just a few minutes ago, but I kept reading my fingerprint on Pixel 6a, and it just didn't help. So I have all my photos is here. I have maps working. Yeah. And everything is very smooth, I would say, in comparison to Pixel 6a. So yeah, I'm happy about it. And also, beside getting a case and getting a screen protector, I got this wireless charger. Yeah. So here it is. Here how it looks. I think this one is bending. Yeah, so we can try to... Hoba! Works perfectly. Actually, the magnet on this case is very strong. Yeah, so once you find the spot, yeah, then it's holding pretty tight. Yeah, it is charging wirelessly, and it's holding on this 20 euro UGREEN wireless charger pretty great. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the combo. By the way, this one also has a wireless charger over here. So I don't know if the phone will work. Probably not. No, it does working. Yeah, okay, good. So you can charge two phones at the same time, or you can just put your wireless headphones in there and charge them with this little and not expensive wireless charger. So yeah, this is it. This is my first experience and unboxing of the Pixel 9a. Let me know what you think in the comments, if I did the right decision of not getting a way more expensive Pixel 10 or last year Pixel 9, but ending up with this phone.